Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 10 right now. Okay, so we are given that, okay, let me take my pen. Yes, that OA vector is given, right? Similarly, OB is given, it is B. And we are told that ABC, they are in straight line, and AB over AC is 1 over 3, right? So it means the ratio between AB and AC is 1:3. So if this section is length 1, this section is length 2. Okay, only then the ratio of AB and AC would be 1:3. Okay, so keep this thing in mind that BC distance is twice of AB distance. Okay, now we need to find the vector OC. Okay, we need to find OC. Okay, you can see first of all, if I try to find um, AB, AB is going to be B minus A. This is easy, right? Because small a plus AB, small a plus AB is going to be vector B. So this is it. Okay, and now you can see that AC, right? AC is 3 times uh, AB. Make sense? Whatever is AB vector, if you multiply, if we increase it by 3 times, we will get AC. So this is going to be 3 times B minus A. Okay, this is my AC vector. Now we can find OC. We can see OC vector is equal to OA plus AC. OA is simply A, and AC, we just found it as 3 times B minus A. So this is going to be A minus 3A, or let me call it 3B, and A minus 3 is minus 2A. Okay, 3B minus 2A. This is my final answer for part A. Okay, part B, it's here. It is a bit tricky and complicated. The line OA is extended to point D, and okay, so basically what they're saying that line OA is extended to some point D, right? Okay, and I decide that OA to AD is 2:7. OA to AD is 2:7. Yes, so the ratio of OA and AD is 2 into 7. If this is 2 meters, this is 7 meters. So let me make it a little bit, okay, that's a little bit, yeah. Okay, and D is joined with C. Okay, and on DC line, there's a point which is E, which is basically some multiple of vector B. So it's in the so that means OBE is a straight line. Okay, so we need to find in the final, yeah, value of lambda. Um, so it is given that OE is some multiple of B, and we need to find this value. What is this value? Okay, so let's see. We have found the vector OC, right? Okay, now what about OD? Can you talk about OD? Okay, okay. You can see that OD is vector A, and it is uh, 7 plus 2 is 9 by 2. Does it make sense or no? You see, OA is A, right? But it is 2, the ratio between this section and this section is 2:7. So if this is 2 meter, this is 7 meter. So if I divide this vector A by 2, I will take half of it, and then it's 7 times this will be this one. So that's why, sorry, this is 2, and the whole thing is 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, so if I increase this thing by 9, then I will reach over here. So that's why OD is equal to 9 by 2A. This is very important. So please pay some attention to this one and make sure that you can convince yourself that yes, OD is 4.9, so 4.5 times A. Okay. Now once we have OD, let's try to find DC. Yes. Okay, so how do we find DC? Okay, from D to C. DC is of course OC minus OD. Make sense? Okay, OC we found in part A. It was 3B minus 2A. Right, this is my OC minus OD. Okay, now OD we just found as 4.5A. So if I simplify it a little bit, it is going to be 3B and minus 6.5A. Okay, so we just found DC. Okay, now you can see, yes, we found DC. So can we find DE now? You can see that DE is in the same direction as DC, but there is a fraction of it, right? So we don't know how much is this fraction. So let me call this fraction as some variable mu, okay, times DC. Okay, so I know that the direction of DE and DC are same. So there must be some what should I call some number here, some fraction, right? And the direction is same though, so that both of them have the same direction. Okay, so DC is some multiple of DC. Okay, so it can return as mu times DC we have for here. So it is 3B minus 6.5A. Okay, so this is my DE. Okay, now what should I do? We need to find OE. DE we have found. Okay, so what is OE vector? OE is OD plus DE. Okay, and this is OE vector, yes. Okay, now OD is 4.5A, remember? OD is 4.5A and plus DE, which is mu times 3B minus 6.5A. Okay, so this is my OE vector. Okay, and we are told that OE vector, let me show you over here. Yes, the point line. Okay, that OE is lambda times B. Okay, we are told that since OE is in the same direction of B, so it is some multiple of lambda, some multiple which is lambda times B. Okay, I hope you follow all these steps. This is quite important that what we are doing, why I introduce this variable mu, and this is given. Okay, so from here, this last expression is very important. You can see I can write it as 4.5a and minus 6.5 mu, this is all A, okay? And plus 3 mu is B. And this whole thing is equal to lambda times B. Okay, so this expression, this last expression tells me that the coefficient of A must be 0. Okay, because there's no A on the right side of this equation. So this must be 0. So it means 4.5 minus 6.5 mu must be 0. So from here we conclude that mu is equal to 4.5 over 6.5. Okay, so let's simplify this thing. Oh, this is 45 over 65. So this is 9 and 5 ones are 5, 3. So this is same as 9 over 13. Okay. So this is okay. Now, and from the same token, we can see that this 3 mu is equal to lambda. Okay, because B has to be has the same coefficient. Okay, and from here you can see that lambda is going to be 3 times 9 over 13, which is 27 over 13. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, hope you understand everything and you enjoyed everything. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.